Cocoa Beach dazzles viewers with a mesmerizing drone display this 4th of July. Hold on to your hats, because this year, Cocoa Beach is making a bold statement by swapping out the traditional Independence Day fireworks for an awe-inspiring Saturday night drone show. This change is not just about keeping up with the times, it's about creating a spectacular and environmentally friendly celebration. Drones equipped with colorful lights will dance across the night sky, crafting scenes that rival the brilliance of fireworks and leaving spectators mesmerized. But here's where it gets interesting. The decision to replace fireworks with drones has sparked a lively debate among locals and visitors. While some appreciate the innovation and reduced environmental impact, others long for the nostalgic boom and sparkle of traditional fireworks. Will the drone show be just as thrilling, or will it fall short compared to its fiery predecessor? And this is the part most people miss. Drones offer not just an eco-friendly alternative, but also the flexibility to create dynamic and detailed visual sequences. These performances can include stunning animations and storytelling elements that traditional fireworks simply can't achieve. In effect, it elevates the entire celebration to a new level of artistry and creativity. What do you think about this transformation? Are you in favor of this innovative approach that blends technology and tradition? Or do you believe that fireworks need to remain the main attraction? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive into the discussion and hear different perspectives.